Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by s squared on numerator and denominator. This one that is about s squared plus number 1. Next, about this one, we need to add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus number 1. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. Next, arctanx of s multiplied by number 1 and number 1. Next, we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to arctanx of s. Sorry, we need to use about integration by parts. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have du equals to ds over s plus number 1. Next, dv, that is about ds. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So we have the integration s over s squared plus 1 ds. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1, and I will put about c. Now let's go to this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to arctanx of s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. ds over this one we change for du. And this one we have u squared over number 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about arctanx of s. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.